And it's recording?
That's
You
it.
ready to go out, Ted? Okay. Don't make everybody sick here. How you turn? Uh-oh. Guess we're not moving the spoon's door any farther. Whoa! Let's see what it is on the patio, Ted. We're over 14 on the patio.
Cool. What do you think, Em?
With our Action News ruler.
Emmy thinks you're nuts, and she's not coming out. What do you think, Em? Oh, what do you?
We're at 15 on the table.
Here, let me see.
There you go. Got it?
Yeah.
15 on the table, which is probably more accurate since you guys have been through here before. And Teddy, do you have legs?
Where'd you go, Ted?
Where are you, Ted?
Come on, boy, move.
Leave him be. Hold on a second. Can you hand me a shovel and I'll... Yeah.
Hey, Ted. How you doing?
Hi, Ted! What do you think of the snow? Wait, let's go. Come on, let's go down to the snow gym. Where is the snow gym? Where is the slide? Yeah. So, get down. Come on. That's a boy. That's it. Come on, let's walk. Yay! Keep going, Ted. Where are you going? Is it fun? What are you digging for? Are you a rabbit? I think you're a rabbit. Jump, jump. That's it. Keep jumping. We'll get you ready for agility yet. So as I open up the garage door, this is what I see. John is away. Ron has borrowed the snowblower, and it is deep. How deep is it? Good question.
God damn it.
Uh-oh. Well, I'm gonna walk. So, let's see. It is to my knees. And Ron at least has a path up here done. Top of our light post. Oh, I guess I could see this way. That. The house. One lone person walking the streets. And Ron cursing because John's snowblower just stopped. And here comes the plow for us to get more plowed in. Thank you, Mr. Robinson.